I'm meeting one of you guys today to pick up some wheel spacers, because this car, after we put the lowering springs on it, the wheels are tucking quite a bit, and also they have a lot of camber and they're sticking like so far inside of the wheel wells. So I was hoping to get some wheel spacers, and I was already planning on doing that, but then one of you guys reached out to me in the comments section and said, hey, I have some 25 mil spacers and I'm in North Carolina if you want to swing up and grab them. So that's what I'm doing today. We're just going to grab those, and then later on we're going to be putting them on the car. I have a certain picture in my head as to what I want it to look like, and we're going to see if we can achieve that with these. We just snagged the spacers. There they are, sitting pretty in the back. Thank you very much. I'm really bad with names. Don't take it personally. I literally say this so many times to a lot of people, so don't worry about it. But all right, we're gonna go ahead back to the shop now and throw them on. I'm really hoping they do what I'm needing them to do. Hoping they fill that gap out a little bit. All right, let's go. Yo, shout out to Wiener Works. Oh my God, Officer Wright, thank you for taking my not being pulled over for almost 5 years virginity away. That dude was so nice. Just, you know, stopped me and was like, hey man, I just stopped you because I saw you change lanes, or I forgot exactly what he said, but super nice guy. That was an awesome experience. I know with nowadays with what's going on, usually people don't expect, you know, good experiences with cops, but that had to have been the nicest police officer I've ever encountered, ever. So he just wrote me a warning. I just got off, you know, easy. I didn't, you know, nothing was wrong. So everybody goes on with their day. Everybody's happy. So thanks. That was really interesting. I've never been pulled over before. All right, back to the shop. All right, here's the deal there. So these are all nicely attached to each other. I like how the guy gave it to us. Like they were all attached, so all of the nuts that you'll need to attach the spacer itself to your hub are going to be attached right there. So he put them all on. It's nice and neat. They're just sitting and they're all kind of connected in one giant block. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead, lift the car up, and then we're gonna be throwing the spacers on, and we're gonna check the fitment, and I'm gonna pray that it doesn't rub. So those spacers are 25 mil. I was worried that if you look at this, that tire is already pretty close, like height wise, to hitting my fender. So I'm really nervous that when we push it out, it might hit this. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen, but we're about to find out. No, a death. I wonder if it'll rust those exhaust pipes. We should probably wipe it, or I should probably wipe it. That's the most blue light I think I've ever seen. There you go, crusty rag to wipe up the monster. That's like a full monster in there. What a waste. So we're gonna put anti-seize on both sides of this once we mount it on the car. That way the alloy and the wheel doesn't literally just seize it together. You gotta take off your wheel and you're just like, yeah, no good. So this is why everybody needs a Nate around, because he is always thinking and always is one step ahead of everything. You're good. Eyes up here. What a guy. I did not ask him to do this. He just started scraping the rust off of my freaking car. It's a Ford, there's a lot of it. I'm not even mad, dude. Like, I know it's like a rusty bucket. Every guy. Why you gotta do this? Why you gotta be like this? Casey Neistat, be like. POV putting my wheels. Wait, ready? This is actually how Casey Neistat does it. Ready? See, told you. Yeah. All right. I'm just so hungry right now. Yeah, me too. I'll go home, get some Frosted Flakes. Oh, sure, you do have Frosted Flakes. sure everybody came to hear us talk about cereal.
Yeah, right. All right, moment of truth. Drum roll. Oh, that's gonna be close. I know when it's sitting, it'll sit a little bit better when it's on the ground, but like that is gonna be close.
All right, here we go. Moment of truth here. How's it look?
Oh, she's perfect, dude.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let me see. Yo, that's nice. So it's not all the way lowered. Like it's not sitting all the way down, but dude, I can see so much more tire and wow, okay. That actually might be, oh man, dude, that's like, oh, that's what you want right there. That's what you want, dude. Shout out to that very nice viewer who let me know that he had wheel spacers. That's why, all right, that's why, if you're watching this, that's why you didn't sell them, is because I needed them, and that's why it took so long for you to sell them, because I needed to get them from you. So, thank you for making me very happy and giving me a really nice deal on an awesome set of wheel spacers, because that looks sick. We're gonna raise the car back up, do all 4 of the other wheels, you know, because I have 5 wheels on this car. So all right, I'm gonna raise it back up.
All right, guys, we just finished the last wheel.
Gonna go ahead and lower her down now, and we can see how much wider this thing actually got. Oh my god, dude. It's so much wider.
Pretty meaty now.
Oh baby,
That's
oh
that's about the max. Dude, that's like perfect. That is perfect fitment right there. Wow, okay. And the back, wow, the back looks super nice.
yeah,
It's
perfect.
it's literally perfect, dude.
It's gonna settle down a little bit more. Camera will tuck it a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So it looks like it sticks out a lot from out here, but that's really not that bad.
No, I mean when you're looking at it like straight, it's literally flush.
That actually looks different from that side. Maybe just a tad bit in camber.
Yeah, this side looks like
A little less. That looks like it has like less tilt. Like it's less camber, which would make sense as to why the treads were less damaged. But regardless, that looks wicked.
It looks really meaty now.
Yeah, she's a meaty girl now. I know it look a little weird with the lighting, but it's so dark out because I think it's around like 7:30 or 8 o'clock right now. But the car looks fantastic. We just took it out for some pics, and if you'd like to see those pictures, you can either follow my main Instagram, you can keep up to date. I post on there a lot. I'm literally always posting things on my story, asking you guys questions, interacting with you guys. If you want to interact with me, that's where you go. And I also have a media page where I take pictures of my car and other people's cars and videos and all that stuff, and I put that on this Instagram. So if you want to go follow either of those to see the pictures that I just took right now, which I'll show you what it looks like, but the camera's going to look a little weird because it's low light. So see, oh okay, yeah, that doesn't look that bad. My hand is in there, so you can see kind of the, you know, you can see kind of what's going on here. But yeah, that's what we were doing, taking pictures. So again, if you'd like to see that, you can just hit up those 2 Instagrams. Or if you just want to connect with me, go give both those a follow.